FBI. The grandfather and the grandmother of Blizzard King Kittel are going to Ireland to FBI racing and breeding. That means that the grandparents of top candidate first national ace pigeon KBDB 2021 are moving to Ireland. This is the grandfather, a full brother to the famous Machine bred from brother 006 paired to full sister Kittel. Machine, one of the best pigeons Dirk ever owned. Unbelievable racing pigeon. This one also top quality pigeon. Good body size, a little bit deeper. Beautiful white eye. Super soft feathers. And an unbelievable breeder. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
What's this one?
Grandmother to King Kittel. Super hen. She is granddaughter of Kittel. Granddaughter Kittel and grandmother to Blizzard King Kittel. Top candidate first national ace pigeon KBDB 2021. Very strong, small, medium type hen. Good muscles. This is the fixed hen. Always the same hen to the full brother of the Machine. And this hen also goes to FBI racing and breeding in Ireland. Top transfer, grandparents to Blizzard King Kittel going to FBI. Unbelievable top transfer from original Dirk Van den Wolf pigeons coming to Ireland.
Yeah, Tracy. Just bought herself a granddaughter of 702. What an hen. Beautiful hen. Unbelievable hen. Sister to Kittel. Unbelievable, Trace. Unbelievable hen. What an hen.
Oh.
Johnny Panny Sizzle off. 2 white dark grandchildren. One cow. Beautiful.
What a nice pigeon.
Thing I've noticed about this loft. Whole block tin underneath there, not wire. The ventilation is up. Chimney every metre. Every metre of the roof is a chimney.
This is a new introduction for FBI. Father is a full brother to the Blizzard, world's best pigeon, KBDB #1. And the mother is first provincial ace pigeon, a direct daughter of the Super Mealy. Beautiful blue cock, White nails. Band 805. Coming to FBI.